Since summer, we've been reporting on the $500 million budget cuts in California courts. In San Diego, that translates to roughly $14 million less for local courts, and it results in about a 21% loss to local civil and family courts. Joining me with ideas on how to work through these cuts is family law attorney Shawn Weber with the Collaborative Family Law Group in San Diego. Shawn, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
What types of cuts in family, when we're talking about family law and family courts, what things are going to be impacted by these cuts?
Well, the first thing that's happening is there's less personnel. We have fewer family court services counselors for custody matters for people to meet with, which is making things take longer. We also have a situation where the court reporters are not going to be available for all hearings. For matters that are longer than 40 minutes, there won't be a court reporter provided. We have to provide that ourselves.
We're going to come back to the court reporters, but I wanted to ask you specifically when it comes to family law, some people would think of like domestic abuse or restraining orders. Are those going to be impacted, or do they still rise to the top?
They still rise to the top because of the importance of them, and there are statutory requirements that force those to the top as well, especially the domestic violence issues. But everything will be impacted because the calendar will be impacted, and there's less personnel to push paperwork through the court system.
And there's actually some courts I know closed, I think up in San Marcos, or have been moved. But let's talk about those court reporters. Now, the courts are no longer providing that, which means clients have to pay for their court reporters if they want them. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And how would that impact the outcome of a trial?
Well, as lawyers, we spend a lot of time trying to build a record. In the case, you hear attorneys say, for the record this and for the record that. That's no longer going to be available if you don't have a court reporter in the courtroom. Now, you can bring your own, but you do have to pay for that, and there's nothing that poorer clients could do to get a waiver or anything like that. It's just they're going to have to come up with their own court reporter.
Is there concern that that could kind of skew the justice system a little bit toward the rich? You could afford this reporter because you can reference back for it, or is it something that you think attorneys will just work around a little bit?
Well, there is that concern. I mean, attorneys will work around it, but you know, people that are going through the court system, they're looking at having higher costs, and that's why we suggest that people look for out-of-court options like collaborative divorce is an option.
Several San Diego attorneys and judges have been meeting to try to come up with solutions and ideas. What have you heard? What's sort of the buzz around town?
Well, we've heard that we're looking for options to increase our ability to volunteer with the court system. The attorneys are we're realizing that this is going to be something that we're going to have to deal with, and the attorneys are trying their best to cooperate with the court system and make this work for us.
Right. I believe this is going to happen for about 3 years, right? This sort of trimming and cutting. What alternatives are there out there for clients, for families, for people who need to work through something through the courts?
Well, an alternative to going to court is to choose a no-court option, like collaborative divorce or mediation, things like that can keep you out of court. Collaborative divorce is great because your attorneys actually sign an agreement that says that we're never going to go to the court. We're not going to cross the threshold of the courtroom, and we're going to resolve this in a way that's better for the family.
And we've heard of mediation, but there's also settling out of court. And you've mentioned before that you think that settling out of court you feel that's your job, especially in family law. Tell us about that.
Well, if I have a case that's actually gone to trial, I feel in some ways that I've failed. And I'm very happy to push my clients towards options like mediation and collaborative divorce because it was already difficult for parties going through the family court system. Now it looks like it's going to be worse. It's going to be more difficult to get the justice that they may be looking for. And if they want to be heard, you know, an out-of-court option may be actually better.
So try to settle out of court. Your takeaway message during these next 3 years of budget trimming and changes in the courts for families here in San Diego?
Ask your attorney. Does he offer a collaborative divorce? Does he offer a mediation or a no-court option? If he doesn't, you need to ask him why.
All right. We'll have more information on our website, kpbs.org. Family law attorney Shawn Weber, thanks so much for talking with us.
Thank you.